Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. We're here with a brand new video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Supreme Replica Chopped Cheese Sandwich. Oh, okay, sticker. Wow, it comes in a box.
Fancy box.
Right. I'm going to keep the box, obviously, but... Let's see. I heard there's like a real plate in here, too. Oh, there.
Dude.
That's like a real plate, huh?
That's cool. Oh, dude. That's cool.
What?
I want that.
Oh, wow. I'm trying to... I don't know if you can like pop that out.
Dude, it looks...
And that's, I think that's real wax paper. Let's like set it.
Oh, yeah. You're trying to get the... Oh, no.
There we go. Or like how they did something.
Oh, there you go. I'll get out of the way.
So here you guys go. The Supreme Replica Chopped Cheese Sandwich. Fall Winter 2024. I just had to get this. I don't know why. But yeah, there you go. And this is like an actual like quality plate. Yeah, so there you guys go. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new. I'm out.